Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, here's the way it looks tonight. Nicholas, now a hurricane, just getting upgraded right at the 11 o'clock hour. Matagorda Bay there had a wind sustained of hurricane force with gusts well above that. And so now the whole storm is upgraded, although it is a very lopsided looking storm. A lot of these coastal sites here are what we call elevated platforms, so the anemometer, the wind instrument, kind of high up, so seeing strong winds, but there's a 74-mile-an-hour wind gust there, and 60, 50, 40, 30-mile-an-hour wind gust in Galveston, and 20 to 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now in Houston. But there's the center, and so once again, it is a lopsided system there. And as it moves along here, spreading lots of rain, the worst of the weather is ahead of the center. Once that center passes, the rain is basically going to come to an end and the winds are going to start to settle down. That's the latest hurricane tonight, just upgraded once again at 11, 75-mile-an-hour winds moving to the north-northeast at 10, 45 miles southwest of Freeport, Texas, and a Category 1 Hurricane Nicholas. Hurricane warnings now upgraded from that hurricane watch. Tropical storm warnings outside of that, and there's the future track, a slow motion tonight and then a very slow motion there just over the northern Gulf coastal areas here into Louisiana, where it's expected to be a big rainmaker. So there is Nicholas located right there, and you can see the shear that's been blowing in it, making it the lopsided system. We are looking at a little bit of moisture here that's just been flowing over us, but it's moving away. And then there's another little disturbance here. This is an upper level low, but there's a tropical wave interacting with it. It is forecast to move to the northwest, will stay to our east, and has a medium development potential out there to the east of us. Besides that, way out there, just off of Africa, strong tropical wave. It's moving to the west. You can see there's not a lot of orangish colors here. That's the dry air, so the environment is at least moist enough to support development. We'll be watching it very closely in the coming days, but no threat in the next week here. The latest model runs on it Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're going to go all the way here to late Saturday and still way east of the islands here. So something to watch, not something to worry about. Closer to home, we had a few showers around. Showers right now, light rain mainly in the Keys. And we may see a little thunderstorm pop up as we go through the night. High temperatures today, 80s to around 90. Current temperatures are mainly in the 70s to around 80. Rain cooling is a great thing when you can get it, and excessive rain, not so much a good thing. We had a little bit of flooding, street flooding in Pompano earlier, an inch and a half of rain there at the air park. There's the moisture that's been over us. It's moving away, so our rain chances go down, not to zero, but just a few showers around for the next several days. There we are into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then maybe by the weekend, another tropical wave threatens us. We may have to keep an eye on that. Here's our forecast then for tonight. Fairly humid, a few storms, but they shouldn't be too widespread. A low in the upper 70s. Tomorrow, sun at times. Not nearly as wet as today. Tropical showers blowing by. High temperature near 90 on the water. Winds east to 10. Seas 2 feet or less. A light chop on the bays. Through the rest of the weekend to the weekend, sun and some showers. And then over the weekend, it looks like it's going to be just a little bit warmer. Back to you.